Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The molecule contains an ester linkage, C is equal to O, so it is an ester and must be named as alcohol-derived part, acid-derived part, 8. Moving on to the next step. The oxygen on the right side of the carbonyl is connected to CH2. CH is equal to CH2, which is the allyl group, systematically named prop-2-enyl. This gives the prefix prop-2-enyl. Moving on to the next step. The carbonyl carbon is connected to CH2CH, CH to CH3, CH is equal to CH2. Counting from the carbonyl carbon, C1, carbonyl C, C2, CH2, C3, CH bearing the ethyl branch, C4, CH is equal to, C5 is equal to CH2. This is a 5-carbon chain with a terminal double bond at C4, C5 making it pent-4-enoic acid. There is an ethyl substituent at C3. And for the final step, alcohol part is equal to prop-2-enyl, acid part is equal to 3-ethylpent-4-enote. Combined prop-2-enyl 3-ethylpent-4-enote. The carbonyl carbon is C1 of the acid chain. The double bond in the acid chain starts at C4, pent-4-enote. The ethyl group is at C3. The ester oxygen bears the prop-2-en-1-yl group. All consistent. Therefore, the correct answer is prop-2-enyl 3-ethylpent-4-enote. The correct answer is shown on screen.